up? What? It's getting ready to be a nighttime routine for this little one right here. Is this your nighttime routine?
Mommy, get your charger.
Really, babe?
Mom.
All right. So I'm gonna go give her a bath and get her ready. Play with me. I'm gonna give her a bath and get her ready for bed. So we gotta go up the stairs. You ready?
Good night.
Good night. This is Maddie's nighttime, summer nighttime routine.
They don't charge on the ground.
Let's go, Maddie. Come on.
I want to see tablets.
Go up the stairs.
Floor.
Where
Go.
can I charge it?
Behind your mom's baking machine.
Time for shower. Actually,
Or
like
in
bath.
your room on your
Go,
nightstand.
go, go. Now. Babe, not nice. Why are you playing with my butt?
That's nice.
See what I have to deal with around my house? Can't walk in peace.
I cannot.
Can't be comfortable. Right, Matt?
Oh yeah. No tablets on the floor.
I'm putting my
Go.
next in.
Go, go. Be careful. Of course we have. Let's see one. Go. Maddie, you're taking. Oh, look at this. Babe, stop. Stop.
Maddie, watch out.
Babe, stop. Dustin, can you run her bath for me while I pick out her clothes? Ooh, belly.
Mommy.
Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. Look at my carpet right here. There's a stain right here. I don't know how it got there.
Oh, you're
Yeah, take it off.
on the counter.
No, you have to unbutton this. Unbutton. Yeah, take it off. Take it off. Okay. Jackson went downstairs? Okay, naked ma'am. Okay, so, got her clothes. I usually put a onesie on her and just her diaper. And then, usually I would bathe her in the sink downstairs because, yeah, I'm just that lazy. I'm that mother. But if I want her to sit in the tub and play, I will run her bath water, and I use the Honest shampoo and body wash on her, or she's out of this one, but I use the Honest bubble. I'm out, so I need to get some. And she likes this one. This is the Trolls. So, and then I don't put a lot of water in her bath because I don't like to sit here forever with her. Climb in. Hold on. Okay, get in. Put some. Okay, make bubbles. Make bubbles. Yeah, get the bubbles, girl. Get the bubbles. 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 And I don't keep toys in the bathroom because it creates mold. So, yeah, I'm that boring mommy. Come on. Neck. Neck, 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 neck. Okay, hand. Arm. Armpit. Army pit. Army pit. Army pit. Army pit. Turn around. Turn around. Tell put your hand in your face. Don't put your hand in your face. I'm gonna get so. No. No hand in your face. No hand in your face. Alright, sit down. I'm gonna let her sit and play in the tub for a little bit before I take her out. And then after that, I'm gonna go wash my face. I got a new pimple today. Really? Got 2 new pimples today. But you know what? I'm paying it no mind, you know what I mean? I'm getting older and I'm getting acne. Like, why? Hey, sweet girl. So I usually sit on my phone and go through Instagram or Facebook and just let her play. And then probably 5 minutes time, I'll take her out. This is her dirty towel from last night. I usually change out her towel every 2 days or so. And she's like the only child in this house that bathes every single night because she gets dirty. The other kids bathe every other night. Oh, or if they've been outside all day. But yeah. But someone was like, I miss your videos. And I promise you guys, I am back for sure. For sure. I am like back because I miss doing what I do, you know what I mean? I miss it. So I figure, why not? Why not come back, you know what I mean? But I need to lose some weight. I don't know. I need to lose some weight, especially my arms. My arms are the biggest part of my body. I don't know why, but I think it's just genetics. Like, I have a small waist. You can't really tell because I done had all these kids, but yeah, used to have a small waist and big arms. But I'm gonna go hang out on Instagram and I'm gonna come back and sure I'm not gonna brush her teeth tonight. I might go ahead and brush her teeth. She didn't really get much sweets or anything today. I usually brush her teeth in the mornings. What I do is if I look at her teeth and it's like dirty, I'll use the towel to clean them off. But I'm just lazy like that. Like, are you lazy like that? I tend to cut corners like none other. But I don't usually brush her teeth twice per day. It's usually once when she wakes up in the mornings and stuff. She doesn't mind. I don't mind. So you shouldn't either. So anyways, I'm going to go hang out on Instagram. And then when I take her out, I'm going to show you guys the rest of this nighttime routine. So yeah. You better not be trying to drown yourself. No. So I use the winter candy apple to lotion her, and the baby powder, and then get her dressed. I'm gonna show you guys after she's dressed. Guys, if you're Jamaican, you know when you take a shower, this is how you know your baby clean. It's when they got the powder all on their neck. My husband think it's stupid. But okay, get that off your nose.
Why do you have to announce to everybody?
That you're clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Jamaican thing. My baby nice and clean. Look.
Why does it have to be announced that, baby?
My baby nice and clean. Go on your bed, yeah, Maddie. Say good night, guys. She likes to take the powder and lotion herself. I keep telling her it's not lotion, but she don't know better. Good night, baby.
Good night.
Good night. She going right in the middle between me and Daddy. Okay, guys. Well, that's the end of this nighttime routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.